I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com, here to show you the secret screw that holds sockets, lamp sockets together. A lot of commercial fixtures like these have light sockets with like a hickey like this in place that goes to a lamp nipple and secures the socket inside the lamp. Once it's secured, you come along like this and you see a socket. There's no way to get the socket out. The wires don't let go. You can't get to the socket. So here's two kinds. This is an exterior floodlight. A lot of us have on the outside of our garages and our houses. That's where we're picking on this one. This particular one, there's a screw at the base of the fixture. I took the pivot off so I can loosen the wires. I undo this screw and the socket comes out. So now I can buy a new socket. I can attach the wires to the socket. I can pull the socket back into the fixture and reinstall the screw. Now this screw is really not too secret. It's sitting out on the bottom. Here's how this same fixture was built just a few years ago. So this is what you guys are going to see. You're going to see this socket inside of here. You won't have a screw in the bottom. And if you look very closely on the inside, you will see a screw in the top of the picture. And that screw attaches the socket, which holds the wires, to the hickey. So you're outside the fixture, you can't see anything, you just see this. You go in there and you undo this screw, and it's a tiny little screw, don't lose it. You undo it, and now the socket will come out of the lamp fixture, allow you to cut the old bad socket off, attach the new socket with the screws, put it back on to the hickey, reinstall the screw, and you can repair your lamp. But when you started, you didn't see any way to get that socket out of there and you threw this away. So here, that's a secret screw in repairing lamps. Nice easy tip from MrHardware.com.